Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Abu Muiz, NIM 20040100072. I am from class 2 C Sharia Economics, the Faculty of Economic and Islamic Business. On this extension, I will promote a product, namely Frisian Flight Meal product. So guys, Frisian Flight Meal has the advantage that it contains many vitamins that are beneficial to our bodies, one of which is vitamin A, which can help maintain the integrity of the surface layer of the eyes, digestive tract, respiratory tract, and skin. And also, Frisian Flight Meal has calcium mineral which helps in the formation and maintenance of bone and tooth density. So, why should you buy the Frisian Flight Meal? Because this milk has a high nutritional content, can be processed into a variety of culinary offerings. The price is also affordable, practical to use, easy to open with the click, drag and drop invention, and of course halal. So you can get this Frisian Flight Meal at the shop or at the nearest store, and the price starts from 11,000 rupiah with a weight contains 317 gram to 14,500 rupiah with a weight contains 419 gram. That enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.